Hey guys, welcome to Raj Makes Money. How are my money makers doing today? And hopefully somebody had a good day in the market today. Tough day in the market. The market started off so strong. And of course, the big one we're playing is Lucid, and that thing just took off and was doing so good. I started rolling up some stuff, and I said, you know what, Raj? You had a goal this week. Don't go crazy, And I was like, but it's easy money. This thing's running. And thank God I did not jump on the roll-up train because it got ugly fast. Out of nowhere, they said first case of the whatever it's called, Omicron has been found in the USA, and things got ugly quickly. But in all honesty, we're still up for the week, $200,000. It really didn't get that ugly for us. I mean, it was nicer during the day when I was up 60 grand, but we got 2 days left in the trading week. And if you take a look here, we got 2 days left in the trading week. We got about $223,000 in play. And, I mean, the 50s, whatever, you roll them down if it drops a lot more. But, if it does go... If it does go a little sideways or whatever, but I like the 49s. I mean, honestly, if it comes down another point or two, or point and a half, and is that 50, 49, 50, that's a lot better to ride out for next week than having the stock at 55 and riding a 49 or 45 or whatever price. But you know what? Like I said, can't complain. Up for the week, $200,000 basically. Had a great Monday. Made a little money yesterday, and we gave back 80 grand today, but we're still in great shape. We got 2 days left in the week, and you know what? It's not that bad. Down 1% today, but after hours, Lucid is up a little bit. But God, could you imagine being Cathy Woods right now? Down 6% alone today. I mean, she is almost at her 52-week low for the year. What is it? Her 52-week low is 97.22. I think she's lost her marbles with what she's telling people, that she's doing this new, her new funds and this. I mean, I don't know if you could pick any worse than what Cathy has picked. Like I said, I want to see everybody make money, but they just keep covering her. Like, what's Cathy Woods buying next? It should probably be, what is Cathy Woods not going to buy, or what is she selling next? But, oh my God. But yeah, crazy day today. Somebody on my live show last night was asking about AMC. Look at this, guys. AMC up a little bit after hours, but now it's in the 20s. Like I said, the stuff's coming down. Even GameStop, remember 240 last week? I said, I don't understand why this thing's going up. That's down now in the 170s. I want to short these. I want to do so much stuff. Every time I do that stuff, it doesn't work out for me well. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to do what I do and just keep riding these puts to open. And I want to make $300,000-$400,000 a week through the end of the year, get us up 50-60%, and it will be a great year. And we'll outperform all the markets, and I will consider that a success. But some of this stuff is just going crazy. John says DWAC popping. What is DWAC doing? They have some news out today. Trump do something special? Oh my God. What's the news? Exclusive. Trump's social media venture seeks $1 billion raise. So I don't know if that's the news that's making this thing pop. That can't be right, because if he raises $1 billion, they're going to have a huge discount. But, hey, you know what? This thing's moved before. It'll move again. What's the other one that was with it? PAC? I can't remember it. PA. What's the other one that was the technology for it or something? I don't know. I can't remember. But Apple today, guys. Apple hit a new high, 52-week high. Got up to 170.29 and then finished the day down. They said Apple's seeing supply chain issues that should be drying up and improving and stuff. Yeah, pun. There you go. So, yep, pun's up 32% also. This is probably the one to play. I mean, remember when this thing ran? Look at that chart. What was that? This would probably be the one. Although it's already up now quite a bit. This would be the, if you're going to make money or play this one, play this one. But I am not, I'm staying away from these. I hope you guys make millions of dollars on this trade and do great. But like I said, I've learned my lesson on these. I'm very disciplined, and I like to see my money when I wake up in the morning. So, but yeah, I mean, it's crazy what's going on out there. Also, guys, you see like CRTX, that thing's been up 2 days in a row, got all the way down there. So I don't know if there's some good news or it says the options market predicting a spike in cortaxum, whatever. I don't know. Investors need to pay close attention to stock based on movements in option markets. So that one's moving. I don't know. It's crazy what's moving, but definitely there. Bitcoin's been moving all around. Our Coinbase account has come back quite a bit. It was all the way down to like $95,000 this weekend. I was like, oh boy. So look at this. In 1 week, we were all the way down to what was the low here? 114. I thought it was even lower than that. I don't know. 1 month. Let's see. 1 day was getting going there. 1 week. What was the 1 month low? I don't know. Somewhere in here. Let's see. It was like maybe that was the 114. I don't know, but it's coming back quite a bit. So very happy to see that because you don't want to have our Shiba shit, But it's coming up. Let me know when Shiba hits a penny, everybody. Cardano, that's still down in the dumps, and Stellar Luminous isn't doing too good. But like I said, hey, you know what? It's a long shot. We'll see how it goes in the markets today. Dow, but yeah, I mean, just everything was up 300, 200 points, and just what a sell-off today. So. Can't complain. We held in there pretty good and survived. And we survived the big crash yesterday too. So, but definitely coming up. Jack Dorsey Square changed his corporate name to Block. Look at that. How about Cathy Wood says these 3 health stocks will be the backbone of 1 trillion opportunity. Why would anybody listen to a person who's lost more? She's lost more money this year, percentage-wise, than she's total reverse. I don't get it. Look at this thing. Let's look at this. For the year now, she's down 20%. Year to date, she's down 20%. I mean, how do you listen to that? You're down 20% for the year. The Dow Jones is up 20% for the. I mean, she's year to date now is 11%. She's 30% off her rocker. So just crazy. I don't know. I love watching this stuff. Who knows? But what else do you guys got? What do you guys think? So we got DWAC YOLO. Glenn Smurf says pun. Everybody's calling for the pun. Jacob pun. John Jasper, how the shibcoin thing. Horrible. So, Joe Veg says, let's go, Brandon. Is Brandon the name for DAC, DWAC now or something? But everything's starting to run a little bit. Hopefully it stays up. Lucid up 76 cents after hours. But like I said, I don't care. As long as it's above $50 in 2 days. I may look tomorrow to start doing some rollouts. Big shout out to all my YouTube sponsors and Patreon members watching. You guys get all my trades in real time. But like I said, I'm just on cruise control. I want to stay a little bit away. I don't want the whole stress level. And Fridays I can do more roll-ups and do stuff. But this thing turns fast. If I would have done a roll-up today, I would have been down $200,000. I was looking. I actually put it in, and it didn't fill. I'll show you guys. I have nothing to hide here. You guys know I'm crazy with this trading. So, yeah, I put it in, and I canceled it because it wasn't really filling, and there we go, today's. I was going to get 20 cents, and then it went to like 15, and I was like, then I was going to put it in at 30 cents. I'm like, I'm not chasing this thing. This is the rollout here. Yeah, it's a 20-cent credit. So, for $17,000, I'll give you an example, though. So, to try to make 1,700 contracts times 20 cents would have been 17. This is my math like on the Buffalo, but it would have been an extra $34,000 between now and tomorrow, or Friday, excuse me, at 20 cents. Well, the spread now on the 49 to 50, if you look at the spread on the 49 to 50, 89 cents to 18 cents. So it's over 18 to 28, 29 cents. So we would have been down an additional $17,000 or so. So it, like I said, it's I hate chasing little money, but if all of a sudden this thing drops, 2 points tomorrow or something and goes to $49, we'll actually maybe break even tomorrow or be down just a little bit. But I mean, you can get slammed quick. If I had 1,700 of these and it goes down a point, you're down 170 grand before you know it. Brian says, Clover, I didn't even see the earnings. I got to be honest with you guys, I haven't slept much. I've been gambling. No. I don't know. I think Clover is another one. It's a total meme play. go buy some $20 calls a year from now for 50 cents, and thing runs again one day. Have your alerts on and make sure you sell it. But I think it's I wouldn't put a lot of value in this one. So, Pinky Floyd, where do I start? Need a guide for dummies. Well, you just flip a coin, pick a stock, and buy. It's pretty easy, but there's all sorts of stuff online about how to play stocks and stuff. Jason Raja, why aren't you playing Apple? So I do play Apple in some of my other accounts that I have, but for this account, the leverage on Apple just isn't there since Schwab at the beginning of the year changed all the margin requirements. And, like I said, it keeps going up and it hit a new high today, but it's the amount of money that I can make a week and generate, and the risk and the way Apple has been kind of trading, it's not being rewarded for the volatility that it's seeing. So in my opinion, for what I do, Apple is not the right move. For this account with what my goals are. I'm trying to do. G.I. Joe, I moved my Shiba coin to request just in time to make it big again. Nice, congratulations. And there's a couple of them out there, guys. What do you guys think about this new one? This coin I've been seeing everywhere. XRT, I think that's it. Stealth, yeah, XST, Stealth coin. What do you guys think about that one? I'm hearing all sorts of things about that one now. So you just never know which one is going to be. You just don't know. John, wish I held my Apple 170 weekly puts a bit longer today. Still good gain. I don't know. I think Apple will be back up tomorrow, so he probably made the right move getting out of it. But Apple was on a tear, and the whole market was on a tear. Lucid, was even up to what, $56 today, somewhere in there. That's why I said, I was like, this thing's going to run again. Here it comes, and 56.24, and down 5 points from there. It's crazy how fast these things move. But that's why I'm staying away. Like I said, I don't want to have the stress and get stuck in between some. Crazy, big draw like today, or some massive drop. Just not worth it. So, just taking it easy. I'm gonna if Lucid stays above $50, I'm gonna make almost $400,000 this week with no stress. Started out the week great, and we'll finish the week great. Coinbase was way down today, up a little bit after hours, and Brian North says coin. I don't know. Company's profitable, it's doing great. I think it's, but I don't know how fast it can grow. It could have some regulation issues, competition coming in from other places. John, still waiting on the next swing trade in Wish, maybe buy sub 3. Sometimes you just have to know when to walk away from these things. You guys all know Phil in the Patreon group. Phil keeps, hawking Genius Brands, and this thing by Christmas, remember, this thing's going to be worth, $5, $1.17. This thing, you just have to know when to walk away. Jeff Schwartz, remember, gave us this hot one, Jaguar. Jaguar JAGX. Remember, this thing was $4. Well, actually $13 because of the split. 3-for-1 stock split, so almost near its lows now. This is equivalent of 40 cents. This thing was up to $4, $5, $4.50. It would be about $4.50 to 40 cents. Like these things, they run and then they're just dead. But like I said, you got to know when to get out of these. You can't just keep believing in them. And we want to all see these things go up. We want to see Lucid at 100. We want to see DWAC at 175 again. But the truth of it is, somebody owns this stock at 175, where the 52-week high was. And now it's $55. They're still down $120. Look at GameStop. Somebody owns GameStop at $483. Hopefully they cut their losses, but somebody bought it for $483, and somebody bought it for $12 this year and is doing phenomenal. But a lot of that stuff just doesn't work. So, Dog Catty says, you really have a hard-on for Cathy Woods for some reason. I don't have a hard-on. And like I said, I want everybody to make money. I could care less, and it's nothing against Cathy Woods. I just don't understand why they keep talking about her. She had one good year, and she's giving it all back. She's giving it more than it back this year. So all the people who thought, they just tout her like she's a goddess, but she's destroying, these people and her trades. So not a hard on, just they keep talking about her, and you know what? They talk about, Elon Musk, they talk about Jeff Bezos, they talk about the guy Jack Dorsey from Twitter. It's the same thing. Look at Twitter the other day. Big news about the whole Twitter thing on Monday. The stock's up 8% or something in the morning. Got to like $52. It was running. Look at this, the 5-day chart. Remember this? This is Monday morning. Got all the way up here, and by the end of the day, it was down. I thought this was supposed to be good news. He's gone. How about Square? How's that doing? Another one of his companies. Another one is just got killed this week too. But yeah, it doesn't make any sense. It's just crazy. So Mitchell Pilot had lots of fun watching your live streams this week. Thank you, Mitchell. And we got more live streams starting tomorrow night from Foxwoods. Late night Facebook play. Spy. How's Spy doing? Thoughts on Spy? SP. The Spider Trust. Is there a stock Spy, or you're talking about the trust? Is this the one that shorts Cathy Woods, or I don't know which one? Or no, this isn't the one. I don't know. I'm not sure I'm pulling up the right stock there. Doug A. Slots, looking forward to Foxwoods, Raja. Can't wait to see you, Doug. So excited to have you coming to Foxwoods. But, like I said, these markets are moving. It's just crazy how fast some of this stuff moves. But I don't know, this pun. Maybe should we play it? What do you guys think? Should we go all in on pun? I don't even know what the news is. I don't even know what the news is on what was the big news? Just said he's going to raise. I mean, to me, when you go out to raise money, that usually hurts your stock because you're going to sell it at a discount. Captain Fail TV. Should I take my 401k and go to high limit slots at this point? No, keep it in the 401k. I mean, if you've had your 401k for a long time, you're doing good. Dow's up 11% now. Nasdaq's up. I mean, you've done good. What's the S&P up for the year? Oops. These things. Let's see. U.S. The S&P year to date is 20% still up. So that's still good. And what's the Nasdaq? Probably about 22% now. Year to date, 23%. And year to date for the Raja, 46%. Is that right? 44%. So we're doing good. We're gonna hit at least 50%. My minimum 50%. We're gonna do it. I don't want anybody to have any fear at all. We will do it. All right. There's those cryptocurrency spammers on Facebook again. Let me just block them. Must be very exciting getting blocked. Pun is linked to DAC a little. Yeah, that's what I was saying with the if you're gonna play it. That's why that's the one to play. Hold on, just knocking out these spammers here. Looking at all these hot Bitcoin opportunities on Facebook. Got like 10 people watching on Facebook and the guy's spamming it. It's like, I don't know. I guess they found somebody to buy it or something. Who knows? I don't know. But hey guys, unfortunately, Satoshi says no pun intended, right? Unfortunately, guys, no more shows this week because I'm back on the road to Foxwoods. I am here all of next week, so that's good news. And then I'm gone for the entire week on the cruise for Jackpot Jackie's birthday bash. Then I'm here, and then I think we have Christmas, and then I'm back in Vegas December 30th for New Year's. So lots of travel and lots of stuff going on out there in the world of casinos and big jackpot. So Captain Fail says, are you a big fan of ETFs, Raja? Not really. Honestly, never play them at all. So I guess that means I'm not a fan. But like I said, there's so many ways to make money. It's insane. Jerry, which cheap crypto would you suggest to a first-time investor? Thanks, Raja. You're a badass, by the way. Thank you. Honestly, Jerry, here's the thing. If you want something that's probably going to be more secure and more longevity, just buy Bitcoin. It's long term. It's probably going to outlast them all and keep going. If you have a strong stomach, a very strong stomach, you could try Shiba Coin. You could try. I mean, any of the lists. Let me pull up the list here. You try any of the Coinbase list of what they have. I mean, it's crazy. You have Solana today up 10%. Excuse me. Polkadot down 3%. Dogecoin down 2.7%. Shiba down 7%. Crypto up 4%. This crypto keeps doing they're spending a lot of money advertising, so that could be a possibility. You never know with that one. Galacoin, I mean, you can't even pick them. It's insane. I mean, there's so many of them now, and I mean, they don't even tie together. They used to they'd all go up and down, and I mean, they're just all over the place now. So it's endless possibilities. Like I said, long term, if I was going to pick one and you want to play it safe, probably just stick to Bitcoin. But if you have a strong stomach, you can pick any of those. I mean, just look how fast it moves. A second ago, we were up to 140,000. What time was that at? 140. Yeah, that's 1 month. You go to 1 day. We were up to 139,000. Now we're down to 129. $10,000 down in the last 24 hours. I mean, it's just the stuff moves like crazy. I don't know how you guys do it. So, Jerry says thank you. Very welcome. Marjorie, good blood pressure. Devin, bang them slots. Good luck. Thank you so much. Jerry, I saw your 26 Buffalo jackpot last night, by the way. It was awesome. Thank you, God. That thing came out of nowhere. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I did not expect that. I always dream of it, but I really just want the 15 Buffalo heads, but I will take one of those any day of the week. I mean, we had a couple of good ones earlier, too. We had that little line hit for like $5,000. We had a bonus for $5,000, but I still couldn't believe that one for the 8,000 and the Buffalo everywhere. I mean, could you imagine if we had one more Buffalo head, we would have had all those what are they? Wolves wild, but good stuff. But hey guys, unfortunately, like I said, I am out of the office for the next 2 days, but I'll be posting how I'm doing. Right now for the week, we're up about $200,000, and I'm hoping to finish the week up somewhere around $350,000, $400,000. I want to do it effortlessly, stress-free. Hopefully loosens up a little bit tomorrow or stays around where it's at. We'll be back up 50, 80, 100,000. And Friday, definitely be making some moves. So all my Patreon members, be on the lookout for what I'm doing. And I am planning on staying 4 or 5 points away from the strike price on Friday because, like I said, I want to just play it safe until then. The markets are very, very disturbed. Nobody knows what's going on. You got Powell saying, he's raising rates and tapering, and now you have this virus has officially. I mean, obviously we knew it was going to be here. It's everywhere else. Why wouldn't it be here? They do say it's slower, so that's a good sign. It's looking better and stuff, but. Hopefully they get it under control, and hopefully stuff stays open. So that's what caused the markets to rally so strong Monday. Biden said doesn't think there's a reason to shut anything down. So lots of time left this week. 2 more days. Let's make them count. But hey guys, you're the money makers. I hope you guys all make lots of money. And this is Raja Makes Money. If you haven't subscribed yet, hurry up and subscribe, or hurry up and follow me if you're watching on Facebook. But take care, guys, and I'll see everybody back Monday for more Raja Makes Money.